हूं आयशा राजपूत और मैं हूं द केप गोवा में एट गोवा और यहाँ पर मैं मिली हूँ एक बहुत ही अमेजिंग एक्ट्रेस से जो कि एक सोशल मीडिया सेलिब्रिटी भी है और ये है बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल, बोल्ड और बिंदास। हम और आप इनको देख चुके हैं मस्तराम, रक्तांचल और हसमुख जैसी सीरीज में और आज का हमारा जो सेलिब्रिटी टॉक शो है ये बहुत ही स्पेशल और डिफरेंट होने वाला है क्योंकि जब मैं इनको मिली तो मुझे लगा कि इनसे कॉन्वर्सेशन करना बनता है और आप लोगों तक इनका कॉन्वर्सेशन पहुंचाना भी बनता है। तो बिना किसी देरी के लेट्स इंट्रोड्यूस कनिषा अवस्थी।
Hi Kanisha.
Hi Ayesha, how are you?
I am good, so good to see you. Please come.
Thank you
So,
for having me.
I wanted to introduce you to my viewers because they are absolutely going to love this conversation. And ये episode बहुत ही different होने वाला है because हमारे लिए यहाँ पे ready किया हुआ है jacuzzi.
Oh wow!
और हम हमारा conversation करने वाले हैं इस jacuzzi के अंदर बैठकर.
Oh my
So
god.
come, welcome, please have your seat.
Thank you so much, Ayesha. Thank you to all the viewers who are watching me. Thank you for having me here.
Please sit and we are going to have this conversation.
Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. Thank you, Ayesha. Wow, this feels like festive and amazing.
How are you feeling, Kanisha?
Amazing. And thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much, audience, for watching me right now. Thank you so much for having me.
So Kanisha, हमारे जो viewers हैं, they would love to know you because it's been fantastic meeting you here. क्योंकि हमने लास्ट 2 दिन से जो भी कॉन्वर्सेशन किए हैं मुझे लगता है कि हमारे व्यूअर्स को भी पता चलना चाहिए दैट हाउ कनिषा अवस्थी इज एंड शी इज़ अ फन पर्सन गाइज। अगर आप उसके साथ में एक इवनिंग बिता लेंगे तो यू कैन नेवर फॉरगेट हर। दैट इज़ द रीज़न कि आज हमने उनको यहाँ पे स्पेशली बुलाया एंड आई वांटेड टू डू दिस इंटरव्यू राइट हियर। आई कुड नॉट वेट कि मैं मुंबई जाऊँ और फिर उनको बुलाऊँ और फिर हम ये इंटरव्यू करें।
So sweet of you for your kind words. Thank you, Ayesha. And I just hope all my ex-boyfriends are listening. Once you spend one evening with me, you can't forget me. So
Yeah, right.
well, thank you so much. It's been really the highlight of my Goa trip, meeting you. And you're such a lovely person, so talented, and it's really a privilege to be here today.
Thank you
you
so
so
much.
very much for all the lovely things. It takes a lovely person to see the lovely in others. And thank you so much for having me.
थैंक यू। तो कनिषा हमें आप बताओ कि आपकी सोशल मीडिया जर्नी जो है वो कैसी रही है और हाउ डू यू लाइक इट, यू डोंट लाइक इट, और बोला ना हाईलाइट्स दैट यू वांट टू टेल योर फैंस और फॉलोअर्स।
So, Naisha, to be honest with you, my social media following started growing parallelly with my commercial work. So, जब मैंने मेरे web shows and by the grace of God, all 3 of them released last year during Corona, and all 3 of them back to back went trending. For the people who may not know or may know also, Hasmukh, Raktanchal and Mastra. And उससे मेरे social media को बहुत ज़्यादा इजाफा मिला. It got a sudden surge, and I was at 47,000 followers, and by the end of the year, I was at 530,000 followers. 1,000 and K is same. Sorry, I just had a thought moment. So I never, हम सुनते रहते थे राइट कि सोशल मीडिया का पोटेंशियल इतना है और आजकल तो एक अपने आप में एक प्रोफेशन है ब्लॉगिंग, इट्स अ सीरियस फुल टाइम प्रोफेशन. लोगों का पूरा एक सेटअप होता है, पूरी 10, 15, 20 लोगों की टीम्स होती हैं. एंड मुझे इस पूरे अपनी जर्नी के दौरान रियलाइज हुआ कि इस चीज़ में कितना पोटेंशियल है एंड इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस बिजनेस इंटरफेस. So it's been great. It's been a great learning. I have enjoyed being so personal with all my followers, and I hate that word, but since everyone says it, fans. I don't think anyone is a fan till the time you're not Roger Federer, but ठीक है, if that's what they call it now, fans and followers. And उनका direct जो feedback है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा I think हमें मार्गदर्शन भी मिलता है. We get the right, we get an idea to navigate our career in a better way. And we get an idea कि आगे चल के किस तरह के रोल में वो देखना पसंद करेंगे हमें, because audience is king, at the end of the day. We all work for the audience, we all work for you guys. And It's been a great revelation for me. 2020 was the year that introduced me. Actually, मेरे लिए बहुत ही pivotal year था because you know even in terms of मेरा commercial work and even in terms of my social media, both the things got started in that year. And I'm just hoping that I can continue to work hard and continue this journey and really see where it takes me. You know?
So are you really saying that you came on social media in 2020?
No, I didn't come on social media in 2020, but I was just like very low key on it, you know, before. इस तरह से जिस तरह से एक सिस्टमैटिकली एक शेड्यूल के साथ अब जब हम इस चीज़ में पूरी तरह से उतर गए हैं, you know, when we become influencers, you know, we schedule our posts and we do it with a timetable. You know, it's a serious business like how you do office hours. You have to do it like that.
Correct.
It is work. It is proper work, you know. So ये जो एक नया सोशल मीडिया का जो मुझे एस्पेक्ट पता चला है, जो इतना सिस्टमैटिक और इतना ऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, यू नो, और मोनेटाइजेबल भी है, तो बहुत लोगों के लिए जो आप बडिंग ब्लॉगर्स वगैरह हैं, इट्स अ वेरी पोटेंट फील्ड. एंड इनफैक्ट वी वर टॉकिंग द अदर डे कि अब तो कितने लोग डिस्कवर भी होने लगे हैं सोशल मीडिया के जरिए.
So that traditional way of, you know, scouting people कि आप कैसे टैलेंट को ढूंढेंगे, that you don't have to do.
Which I think is so great, right? Because then it gives everyone a fair chance. You know, you don't have to be a daughter, son, whatever of anyone. If your presence on social media is strong, you know, you will get an opportunity.
So Kanisha, when you told me, you know, that you worked in Mastaram, and a lot of our viewers would also want to know that how you got into Mastaram and how you decided that you wanted to do that series.
I got into it after a lot of struggle.
Okay.
Maybe 1,500 auditions.
Okay.
So let me tell all our viewers about you know, ये जो auditions का struggle होता है, ये अपने आप में बहुत ही difficult होता है. For all the budding actors, it's not easy, guys. You have to also approach that like a job.
Correct.
तो बाकायदा एक ऐसा, you know, मेरी लाइफ का एक दौर था जहाँ 1.5 साल तक या तकरीबन 2 साल तक मैं लिटरली अपनी गाड़ी में 5-6 चेंजेस लेके निकलती थी, और दिन भर एक ऑफिस में जैसे आप जाते हो वैसे मैं ऑडिशन में जाया करती थी. और whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know, but I got shortlisted for 14 web shows, जिसमें कि I got 3. And for a lot of people they feel कि 3 भी बहुत अच्छा है यार, 1 साल में रिलीज. लेकिन अगर मैं 14 में शॉर्टलिस्ट हुई हूँ तो you can imagine I must have gone for 1,000 at least, right? So it was a very hard struggle, and like they say, you know, starting में it's you who make the opportunity, who makes what they have to make out of the opportunity. You know, so I have never been of the opinion कि, you know, मैं यही काम करूँगी या वही काम करूँगी, because I'm just starting out, and जो भी मुझे opportunities मिली मुझे उसमें अपना 110% देना था, और जो कि मैंने किया. और फिर भगवान की कृपा से, you know, it got such good reception, and it got so much love from the audiences. So मैं ज़्यादा results से attach नहीं करती हूँ खुद को. I just keep doing my struggle here, because in this line of work in entertainment.
But I think Mastaram में you are looking fabulous, and I think you were the highlight of that entire series. That Mastaram 1 is all about, you know, the major this thing that I see highlight was Kanisha.
Thank you so much. That is really kind, and I think कि बोलते हैं ना कि when you keep working hard, कहीं ना कहीं से आपको उस चीज़ का नतीजा मिल ही जाता है. So I think कि हालांकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा failures face किए हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा difficult भी रही है, because mentally it's very challenging, right? You don't know whether you will get through or not. You don't know how will everything work out, but that's the thing, you know. I think हमारी industry में for all the entertainers, you know, I have to say big ups to you guys, because it's a ultimate test of patience, mental endurance, and just, you know, being positive. You have to be so positive, because the moment you bring self doubt, I think it's going to be over for you. So एक challenge की तरह अगर आप लोग हैं कि यार देखते हैं ना खुद को push करके, कितना और endurance है खुद में, you know. If you take it like that you're just going to test your mettle, you know, then I think this industry is a lovely place. And right now, you know, Aisha, I was telling you that it's such a great time for entertainers and actors, right? It's opened up, it's democratic, you know, there's such good content that is happening, and inshallah we'll see you also in a lot of content, that's good. And I think, you know, it makes you mentally tougher.
There is a lot of opportunity कि आप अपना content बनाएं and do what you like.
ये तो मैं सभी को बोलूँगी कि प्लीज़ अपना कंटेंट बनाइए. आपके पास इतने सारे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, आपके पास यूट्यूब है, आपके पास इंस्टाग्राम है. आज की तारीख में आप अपना कंटेंट अगर नहीं बना रहे तो आप अपने साथ नाइंसाफ़ी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि ये वेट करते रहना और सोचते रहना कि हमें कोई डिस्कवर करेगा, ये अपने आप में आई थिंक थोड़ा एक डेटेड अप्रोच हो गई है. I think now women and men, everybody is taking their destiny in their own hands, and you have to
Right.
you have to really you have to throw yourself in the deep end.
Correct.
If you swim, you swim. You drown, you drown. But that's life.
So Kanisha, do you think कि मसराम जैसे सीरीज करने के बाद में लोगों का परसेप्शन बहुत चेंज हो जाता है? Have you faced any when people try telling you or via comments या फिर कुछ आपको बोल करके कि you have done this, any perception change you have experienced because of that?
No, to be honest, I take every job as a new job, and I think as an actor, बतौर एक actor, मेरा काम और मेरा मुद्दा यही है कि मैं जितने अलग अलग किस्म के किरदार निभा सकूँ उतने मैं निभाऊँ. तो मैं किसी भी कैरेक्टर को अपने पे ना हावी होने देती हूँ, ना मुझे लगता है कि मैं उस कैरेक्टर पे हावी होनी चाहिए. सो बेसिकली परसेप्शंस आर वेरी फ्लीटिंग, माय फ्रेंड. आज ये परसेप्शन है, कल वो
कल कुछ और
परसेप्शन.
होगा.
सो अगर मैं परसेप्शन के बारे में सोचने लगूंगी तो मुझे वो एज एन आर्टिस्ट बहुत लिमिट कर जाएगी चीज़. सो आई रियली डोंट थिंक अबाउट परसेप्शन. आई ऑलवेज बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाटएवर अपॉर्चुनिटी आई गेट. उसमें मुझे अपनी महारत दिखानी है, और अगर मैंने अच्छे से कर लिया वो काम, सो कहीं ना कोई जो पीपल who are really the scouting, who really scout talent, who are genuine about identifying talent, they will identify my talent and my effort and sincerity.
Right.
That's all I think about, to be honest with you. बाकी perception and all हर एक का बहुत बार चेंज होता है. It's human mind.
Right.
Today people can be married, 2 years later they may not recognize each other, they may turn strangers. So ये तो एक फिर बहुत ही सत्य वाली, it's a entertainment which is a bubble, right? It's a make-believe world. So I don't let these things hamper my decisions. I just take whatever opportunities come to me and I give it my 110%. And that's what I would tell all the, all our viewers right now, that if you're serious about making a career in this industry, I think your only agenda should be to put in your 110%, and whatever opportunities, even if you get one scene, you can make your presence felt.
Yes, yes,
Nawazuddin Siddiqui and so many others have,
Very true.
done it in the past. So we have to, it's a dignity of work. That's it.
Correct. Media is so fast and हर कोई है social media पे, so how do you handle the negative comments?
I don't handle negativity. I remove myself from the equation. और social media में तो बहुत ही आसान है, आप ब्लॉक कर सकते हो. मैं तो real life में निकल आती हूँ. I just subtract myself from the equation.
That's the best thing to do, I guess.
That's the only sensible thing to do, because if you start to and fro, then it becomes like this ugly, spat. And I just think that, negativity is such a thing that the only way you can escape it is if you escape it. So
And you also laugh it out sometimes. If किसी ने
Always.
बोला है, you just laugh it out and just ignore it.
Always, because the pathetic thing is that most of the time they won't have a photo. यार फोटो भी डालने की तुम्हारे में हिम्मत नहीं है, और तुम बता रहे हो मुझे कि मैं क्या हूँ क्या नहीं. ठीक है ना, पहले उतना कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाए तुम्हारी लाइफ में तो आई फील एंड सेकेंडली आधे से ज़्यादा टाइम ऐसे जो नफरत वाले बड़े कमेंट्स लिखते हैं उनकी मतलब स्पेलिंग एंड ऑल भी सब ऊपर नीचे ओपन स्पेस, तो यू फील सॉरी फॉर देम. यार दे आर वेरी लो इन टर्म्स ऑफ एवोल्यूशन. अभी बहुत
What an observation. मैंने ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं, but now just because you're saying it, वो मैं realize करी, हाँ कुछ तो लिखा था पर वो अलग spelling
you
थी.
notice it now. There's a particular breed, there's a particular category of people.
Right. Okay, tell me, like हमारी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में ये लोगों का परसेप्शन है कि जब भी आप काम मांगने जाते हो या endorsements के लिए जाते हो, so you have to go through casting round, या people will ask you for compromise. So ऐसा कभी हुआ है आपके साथ में ऐसा experience?
No, luckily nobody is upfront asking for compromise, but yes, I know about that side of the industry. It does exist, and it's very sad that a lot of girls get trapped in that whole bad. I think it's like a black hole, right? And the only thing is that people do expect you to be very yes man and chamcha. I think वो तो उसका अगर आप नहीं कर पाओगे चमचा के लिए तो उसका तो आपको मुआवजा भरना ही पड़ेगा. But my point is, everybody is not equipped to do it, right? It's about it's a skill set, guys. The ones who are doing it, you all are doing amazing, man. I got to learn something from you all, because it's a skill set, Most of the times when I try to do it, I've never tried also, but even by mistake, if I try, I feel like I'm myself sounding so unconvincing to me. So I just don't try it, because I feel like उतनी देर में I'll do some other work, ना, which will give me assured results. जिसमें मतलब अच्छा नहीं है आपका talent, वो चीज़ में क्यों पढ़ना?
Have you unfollowed anyone on Instagram?
Yeah, a lot of people.
Lot of people.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not asking for names.
Oh my God, thank you. Because a lot of them are people I've even worked with. So.
Okay, let's not get into it. Do you abuse?
Yeah, hell yes.
Okay, So when it comes to abuse, what do you prefer, Hindi or English?
It totally depends on who is on the opposite side of me और
Okay.
उस इंसान को ज़्यादा क्या चुभेगा because the whole purpose of abuse is to it's like a power play, right? It's like trying to prove a point. So I make sure that I abuse them at their level, like
Okay.
and then I just kind of like I wanna just vent. For me abusing is a vent. या वो English में हो, हिंदी में हो, मराठी में हो, French में हो.
You also enjoy something like
Yeah,
Hindi,
definitely.
English, both you enjoy?
Yeah, both also. That category.
Have you
English में
invented
भी.
something?
I've invented lots of curse words. Lots of curse words.
Okay.
Sometimes I invent it on the spot also, spontaneously. Something new comes up, So,
And then you realize, oh, what did I say?
then I tell
That's
the
my
person
favorite
also, hey, did you just, I just invented this goddamn thing. It's so cool. So it's like,
word. Oh, so cool. Okay, tell me, which part of a man's body do you like the most?
eyes. They're a window to your soul, and eyes are magnetic. I like eyes.
एंड आपको क्या लगता है आपकी बॉडी का ऐसा कौन सा पार्ट है जो कि आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है और लोगों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है?
मुझे
हाँ.
यार I like my hands, okay. I think I have really
Ah,
quite very मैं कोई घमंड से नहीं बोल रही, but I do have pretty hands. you
Yes,
know.
yes.
And
I was
most-
about to tell you that because I've been noticing your hands since yesterday and I was like, यार बहुत सुंदर है.
Thank you. So कई लोगों ने मुझे और मेरे कुछ चाहने वाले पिछले दौरों में जो थे, सबने मुझे हैंड्स के लिए काफी तारीफ करी है. तो I think कि हाँ यार कुछ बात तो है hands में. So I like my hands personally.
Do you lie?
Yeah.
Okay.
A
I'm
lot.
not going to ask you when and to who. Okay. If you were a product, what will be your tagline?
All purpose. Because I'm a hustler, so I'm all purpose. And I want to be an all purpose person only. कभी एंकरिंग कर लो, कभी एक्टिंग कर लो. मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ सबको, in fact that all purpose होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I think everything is got potential and opportunity. So I'm all purpose. I would be like an all purpose something.
Okay. How do you find out that a guy likes you?
I mean, mostly though they flirt and all make it pretty obvious, and then their body language, I think, and with me लोगों ने like कर दिया है कि अब तो आदत सी हो गई है.
How do you respond to it? Like अभी पता है कि हाँ यार ये फ्लर्ट कर रहा है या ये करने वाला है.
I enjoy it, yeah. I also like men, and if they are interesting and intelligent, and if I also like them, then it's really fun. But अगर थोड़ा अटपटा तब हो जाता है कि जब when you don't like, so then you say casually कि hey bro, ऐसा करके कुछ करके आप मतलब clear कर दो कि भाई you are not in the same category, and you are like my brother.
So even I agree with you. Lower body बहुत ज़्यादा sexy लगता है.
Yeah.
Even I.
Followers, yeah. What they have legs.
Yeah. Okay. Sense of humor or presence of mind?
Sense of humor.
Anything,
Anything. Sense of humor. Anything.
The boy who can cook or a boy who can sing?
A boy who can cook. Yeah.
Can you?
No, that's why I said a boy who can, I can sing, so
I can eat.
Great.
Yeah.
So three is a party then.
Yes. Okay. Boobs or ass?
In a guy or
No, of course.
I know,
way.
correct. Oh God, because there are so many kinds of genders now. With all due respect, I think for me, I prefer like I mean not prefer, but I find an ass more attractive.
Yeah. Okay. If you had to sleep naked with a stranger, will you prefer a male or a female?
Male.
Any day.
Why would I sleep naked with a female? अभी लाइफ के उस दौर पे मैं नहीं आई उस मोड में.
Alright.
But never say never, but not so far.